Cutting foundation costs starts with smart design choices that protect structural integrity while trimming material and labor expenses. When we talk about budget-friendly foundations for budget-friendly home construction, the first big decision is choosing slab-on-grade instead of a full basement, because it removes excavation depth, walls, stairs, and finishes that quickly add tens of thousands of dollars. A slab-on-grade is simply a thick, steel-reinforced concrete floor that also supports the structure, and when properly insulated at the edges, it performs well in many climates while remaining simple to build. Work closely with a structural engineer to optimize footing sizes, meaning you size the concrete strips under load-bearing walls precisely for the soil conditions instead of using oversized, just-in-case dimensions that waste concrete and rebar. Simplifying the foundation shape is another easy win, so aim for rectangles and gentle L shapes rather than complex jogs and bump outs that require more formwork, more corners, and more labor time. Choosing poured concrete over complex stonework or heavily detailed masonry lowers labor costs because crews can set forms, place reinforcement, and pour in a single, coordinated operation. In some regions, insulated concrete forms can be cost-effective, since they combine structure, insulation, and formwork into one product, reduce heating and cooling loads, and can offset their higher material price with lower labor and long-term energy savings. People commonly assume a basement always adds value, but if you do not need the extra conditioned space, that volume becomes an expensive storage room. So the fix is to choose a well-insulated slab on grade and invest the savings in better windows or mechanical systems. Another mistake is letting the floor plan drive a very irregular foundation, with lots of tiny in and out corners that are expensive to form and pour. So the better approach is to square up the plan, keep exterior walls in longer straight lines, and use interior layout and finishes to add interest. A third issue is skipping soil investigation and then overbuilding for safety, which can lead to thick, costly foundations that still do not match the actual soil capacity. So the smarter move is to pay for a basic geotechnical report and have an engineer design lean but safe footings tuned to that soil. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to turn these foundation choices into real projects by helping homeowners connect with local concrete, excavation, and structural pros who understand budget-friendly construction. On the other side, contractors can list their services, find more work, and join our discussion community where we all share practical tips, cost-saving ideas, and real-world foundation lessons that help everyone build smarter for less.